Hey everybody, Pocket Doc at Dark Angel Medical, and it's getting cool outside. Well, except for the south, unfortunately. But it's getting fall time, and it's when everything is coming out all pumpkin spice, except this. This is not pumpkin spice. Nope, doesn't smell like nutmeg, and you don't have to wear Uggs to carry it. So that's kind of a cool thing. This is the Daka Bleeding Control Kit, and it comes jam-packed with all kind of life-saving goodness. This Magpul Daka pouch comes with a cat tourniquet, comes with a pair of gloves, comes with hyphen chest seals, it comes with quick clot bleeding control dressing, it comes with a mini compression bandage, and it can even get a full-size pair of trauma shears down in here. Sticks in your backpack, your satchel, your Indiana Jones bag, your European shoulder bag, whatever. Okay, and it's easy to carry with you, and it has the essentials to make a difference. So get a kit, get trained, and be the difference. Just because this med kit may be simple does not mean it's basic. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe.